everyone. Today we are at Agrotonomy and I'm going to show you how to make the best vegan pesto in the world. Let's grab lots of basil because this is the main ingredient to make the best pesto. Alright, well, let's get started and come to my kitchen. Well, first we're going to cut the basil. Here we have a cup of shelled hemp sheets. We have some sun-dried tomato, some olive oil, and here we have some nutritional yeast, which gives the cheesy flavor since we're not using any Parmesan cheese. Well, and here we have a big tablespoon with minced garlic, some wheatgrass powder, which really makes it a superfood pesto, and some Himalaya salt, but you can also use sea salt, of course. So now we have all the ingredients ready. So we're going to make the best superfood vegan pesto. Well, I have this old machine already for 30 years, but it still works. So you don't need any fancy machine. Let's start. Let's try it. It's really good. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.